making it special. We are together forever. Hey, Okoman Radio. Hey, Okoman Radio. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Me di Madam Joanna. Radio Amitie Okoman 97.1.
I have told you, Paul, the problem with Ghana's football has coaching is only an aspect. We have the dynamics of the team itself, the players, and this juju bit is not something that you can push away. And also because the juju thing pushes a lot of good players away from Ghana. Because at the end of the day, even if you have an excellent coach, he's not the one who's going to put the ball in the net. If the players don't want to play, they wouldn't play. And that's it. And if the players wake up in the night and they are being disturbed by a malam, they will not play. That's a fact. And it disrupts the chemistry in the team. And as I say, we
is that true, this malam thing in the competition?
Go and find out. You know it's true. Of course you know it's true. Why you didn't?
No, I didn't see the malam. I've heard the story.
Well, you go and find out. Ask these things. You know.
Why does the malam make noise at dawn?
You go and find out where he makes the noise. You talk to people, they will tell you.
Noise in the hotel?
Well, go and find out because you will get the facts. The point is, we've had psychological problems with the team. That was documented in 2013 after the Cup of Nations.
Yes.
The juju thing was written in black and white. We've not solved it. If we don't, it's going to hurt us. And as I said, it's pushing some good players away from the team.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! ¡Apago la luz y me voy! ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Golazo!
Viene Caleri para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va. Se va para el gol Tevez. Caleri o Tevez. Tevez no. Caleri. Cántalo. Y de Rabona. Sí, Diego de Rabona. ¡Gol!
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
As we reconvene the internationals.
Okoman Radio.
Well,
Palla dentro, Martis, attenzione, ancora palla buona. Viene spallato via, Oba, acrobazia, viene gol!
Okoman Radio. Station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
All right, I will say I'm watching about the Okoman Radio 97.1 so Emerson say tenase a good demo and some ya de bedan wo na hu sene yete ene eye fiada ye ko weekend ni matches ahoro e ya de betwa egu e wo Ghana na fe Amanfo Amanso ye de ho nkomo nyina e de ebre ne mo ye mfa sedam onyankopon sa waka ye ho ama ene 10 February 2023 enso abeto ye na ye de ensema ahoro nyina no enso de eba tidbit around the world of sports amanone ebeba wa akwemu emra Akropong Asante atenase odebeba owia na yedi eno ho so emu nkomo kakra na afe yaba mehaw na yedi eno so edi yaba na afe local stories no eno so emu tidbit kakra enso atumi aba na yasan so aba bedi nkomo enso ewefie na yahwe nsema horo a eno so esisi ewo yen local stories no emu na Kumasi Asante koko timu na so ye endra day omawie bibia ama unveiling ni bibia akoso Abrantani de Mohammed Al-Hassan, formerly of Wafa, Kinfesa, Hato Folk, Central Defender, and then Wakwa sign contract Edema Santo Kotokobo Bokono. Na Endra Kotoko Velino Kama Emreno Ebeba Ama Yedi Hong Koma and said to me at the Ama Menoka said ye or sign contract in the Bibiawo in Crying Accra and or sign ye Saturday Obesha Timno and so our do. Na omuwie dreams game ne pe oni tim ni na ebetu akwakopiem enso ewo Kumasi na fei akwakotutu nioma asi akan edama Asante kotokobo konente yebedu ho nkomo edama general transfer win the kotoko 3 players ena mutumi asan ye Abrantani de ede Rashid Norte ofri ye media matim na kache ne ba ye ena afei Abrantani de Sosa and also a Brazilian player striker and no and then Dracra central defender Mo Al-Hassan kono account do no e ade a beboa pa enti yebedu won komo e de ama wa Ghana Premier League match 17 weekend we games awro e wo so e sha se enne ochena and afi Saturday Ochaya Saturday until Sunday matches ni na enso beba so nti eno so ye bedi ho nkomo enso tumi de amawo en sama huru a eka ho amanone ni na ye ba bedi di ho nkomo enso tumi de amawo tim ni na ena aka ye ntama abo ani a no pay ya tenase edi djumedi edi ebrewa sedanko emfa ema okore ajeman ono eta yachi ena fe senior on duty ena adwa poku a elhonam ono so eta yachire bi and afe Zigby ono ediye nko social media no eso Facebook and afe YouTube nina yani nam hono enso ewo hono na DJ Donzi ono so eta chire and executive producer no Mr. KAB ono so eboa show no and edi djumedi nina ede ebro Akropong Asante obetene nko de yembe kwa manone afe AK the boss player ono so ete chirebe me din at the Pastor of Paradise. The guy with the romantic voice on your radio. Me tramu di ama AK na matutu ni oma ono so ejina chire epia ni oma no de support wa enso to me de banti ye nyina na yaka ye ntama abo ani a anopai yatena se agudie kwan so e de agudie mu nsam no enso etumi e de eba ma wan hu se ne yetenti Akropong anya atena se enche beko na fe yakwa kofa amanone nsam no enso etumi e de aba na wan hu se ne a eno so etie $10.35 your corner fe amanone sam no yakwa kofa enso to me edi aba na yaba beto aso enso to me edi amawo Akropong atena se Akropong yakwa ba
Paradise bibia kama
se bibia boko pa
se papa mu boni mu yemfasida emano enti de koye ni de ankoye nyina ye won kwana moje die frusa ne de na seda de yemfendi da enti no me strong papa and then so you fiada
and then Friday
oh thank God this Friday pa oh
and then obeye Anna. Say you want to be
And you know, you be nyama.
And then Friday.
Pa Soro Paradise.
Yes.
Oh, we are heavy.
And then Friday.
We are heavy. Papa.
Barima was a woman in my yama.
So, ni how? Anna.
Sir.
Was it? Say baby, I want me ni hobi.
Oh, me wa how?
Was how many eki? Ani e mobo.
I want to say. Say how them wa how?
Yen ye mobo.
Say how me wa how?
Intino.
So on me.
Inti sa ho no. Ye do weekend ni say ah. If you so Charlie. Ah, I mobo. But ni nyina mu no eboa edwuma na mane o me konka ntimi wa ahoden se da me hwemu no so de ozo ye strong pa
ahoden no ho pa
dem no wosro
ene e be ma tiefo sika
okay
e be mo ma diska
pa great
e be ma tiefo diska pa enti wo de se wo tie di kan dal we fa phone no
okay
eye yamo eye 100 phone no
sa pepepe
fa na dial star 787 hash
star 787 hash. Okay.
O dalia. Ni akanyi na no.
O di follow prompt no.
To aso fa ko ube diska.
Follow prompt no.
Ube diska no pay.
Any options no.
No pay ya. Ube diska. When the kura ba say 100 million there. Sikada da no.
Okay.
Eno so ube di pa.
Na ni o me tumi
akon. Pa na bibia so tumi akon kan nti. Enye easy. Ye beba bedi eno ho nkomo. But oba kwa ma no ne aba.
Okay.
Okoba na fe ya sheda edi eno so. Ehun komonti mame fa weni ntumu wa una ana obeko straight
Fatum
okay na fe yan komra
el chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo el arquero sale la tiene Gio no hay arquero quién le pega Gio golazo de gol apago la luz.
Right, we be bia a chair the about Okoman 97.1 the bread juice here the amane semo ya bobo no e ba be dan yiti fo ani ahwefo no na Akuffo Okore Ajima together with Eki and so any paradise e crunching nsem no de gu krata so se men kono kwantin kro na Amanfo cross nsem no tube no wetumi subscribe and come on and so etumi e dia my Facebook no o like and wetumi follow page no na we pia share ama one more diaspora no I get in touch of the show yeti ni nyina and so e the eba DJ Zigibi ana enenu obwa ama the live streaming of the Okoman Global Sports Morning Edition Jumedian nso etumi etwegu nti de akoso wo bia no enso eye Zigibi nso nsa no ekoya na yo no anko yesu so eye Zigibi na mom Zigibi de always bia no excellent nkwa ana onya nti enyoma nso no eguso ekonkan Zigibi adwuma no eso enipa esen eni Kotoku Royals wo modembo eno ni problem kakra Zigibi wo ne modembo no enso ewo MCR room wo no ekonkan esen Kotoku Royals ewo the Ghana Premier League ne mom no enyoma betumi atene eno nso kakra eno so eba Zigi edini nemu a enti ebepo awremu mi amede ba enso medin eye Krobia Asante ebeburu na ya hyase edi free boxing na onim se medin kan edi aba tu enim wiki mu a se April 1st ya urhemu ewo London UK O2 Arena eho ana ne boxers a wo mo eba be gina bout mu enso etumi akono sa boxers yi no eye urhemu a British ni abrantie English ni abrantie Anthony Joshua oye Nigerian na mmom no wadane ne ho duabroni a ene no no so ekon edema England na nyoma so no etumi akonkan on United States of America wo mo so international boxer ye friend no Jermaine Franklin and betumi dia akensi no etumi ahyehye so ama nyoma so no etumi akonkan ti April 1st ana na eba na ndrada ana enenum se boxing de ye beku bia ye wo bibia ye friend no face off yede eneno mranti mienu ni nyina ebegina ho na obibia hwe ne yonko animu a obibia hwe ne yonko animu a na ne face off no enso ekoso nti se woni face off a bra Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso na YouTube na Okoman Radio 971 onso ubetumi ehu de aye friend face off no ubehu se Anthony Joshua ono so ne Jermaine Franklin wo mo so eye face off no wo Facebook a DJ Zigibi enso etumi e de ato ma nyoma so no ekonkan ti face off no eba so na wo mu wie face off na enei obi bia boxer bia so no betu nenum tuo enso ya de akira mansen se ba ota eba su me ready bout eba so yi me ready the eba so yi me born knockout round say and ebe so enti after draft face off no ekonkan no both ene no boxers ni nyina enso FAC press no ama press conference no enso etumi etodwa no pani a ene no odin kan a ono a no hosti no eye ni krom ana ne no bout no eba so Anthony Joshua ono so de nsem kakra enso etumi etugwa efa bout a ebetumi aba so April 1st wa bra o hosti abrante friend no German Franklin yentesema Anthony Joshua enso etumi ede etugwa
like question where people's heads at, like is his head in the game? But like that's one thing. I think waking up every day is just a normal everyday thing, right? You don't think about it. So going to the gym for a fighter is just a normal everyday thing. So many fighters go to the gym every day, but there's a difference when you put your heart into it. And I've had to kind of get rid of a lot of distractions and things in my life so I can put my heart back into the game, because I always built businesses outside of boxing because of the fear that, you know, going back to square one. So I've always tried to build an empire, so when it's all said and done, I'll never be able to look back and say I made stupid decisions.
Any and someone Anthony Joshua as to me Eddie Etuga about her and also Barono say no are you ready pa massa one more busano if I gym training I would draw or you notice say no ube to me I gym and name say Okoman no any a good anymore and ya dear to me winning bout in so the new rain and so to me I should name no or call off Kakrano no prepare ni back after say or retire a new mobile never yarn and cyber corner globally now or yeah a new companies I would draw a year Juma said the new man so no ebe to me a conkan after retirement ni nyina kan and I wish the last two bout awakwa ni nyina we to me elusi no ntia no nsem kakra Anthony Joshua and so to me ede etuga abranti ono ne bekon German Franklin ono efi United States of America oba be piemu enso ewo UK na ne o to me a konkon no so the nsem kakra tuga efa ne bout ono so ba be hia Anthony Joshua no so no ehun yente German Franklin.
I got the utmost confidence. I believe I could be anybody. You know, that's never a doubt in my mind. If you doubt yourself, you're in the wrong sport. This ain't the sport for that. So as a man, you know, he's a man just like I am. He bleeds just like I do. So like I got the confidence for me to pull this victory out. Yeah, it'd be an excellent moment for my career. But you know, I got the will, I got the heart for it. So you know, I'm ready to go to war as always.
Wey any and some kakran so a branch friend of German Franklin and so to me idea to go so on zero bia debi ade ba ko no kra de ne maame e che so ne busuam enni wo kra ni ehu nti hu pa de ebi ni mu da no ma Anthony Joshua ono nso ni din no ene sebi Nigeria wo fi ne eba no endidi ni tirimu kra na wasan so aba be ye British ni no enya ade ni nyina betumi abo ne hu odo maame a eni no ye friend Queen Elizabeth no wetumi ahwere ne nkwante nei ni sunsum ni ghost hunhum nyina no edi Joshua echi na so enya ade a sa ne o mani nyina ebetumi abo ne hu dan no ne nsem kakra papa ye friend German Franklin Rastafarian enso etumi ede etuga eni no oba betwa sweat abrante a wetwa sweat pa Anthony Joshua one Rastaman ane ba be kontokwa ama nneoma nso no etumi akonkan ye behwemu enso e wo football ye remu wo footballer Confederation of African Football Champions League ye twa ni tie friend no CAF Champions League no and also baso ene ana ehya na onim say group stages no ye draw no bibia ye set na ne games a wodo mienu bi enso betumi ato akoso a ye tie ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede bana games no a baso no remu e wo Egypt a team ye friend no Zamalek womu free Egypt womu we kami CR Belouizdad womu nso free Algeria womu na ne womu di game no enso betumi ahyehyɛ so ye 4 p.m. sharp ana sa game no enso betumi aba so Senegalese referee ye friend no Sai ono no betumi ejiremu ato ayerem ama nneoma nso no etumi akonkan game no betumi aba so wo Cairo International Stadium enso wo Cairo na eche se ho no womu capital city ho ana game no nso no ebetumi akoso ntine ya Zamalek womu nso any Belouizdad womu nso every Algeria and this game no ebetumi awin dam so 4 p.m. GMT Ghana time na game no etumi ahyehyɛ so second game on the day and so ebetumi aba so 7 p.m. sharp Sharp and as a game no and so ebe to me abasuna we no Morocco Krumo and as a game no eba so Raja Casablanca and so we kame Vipers one more every Uganda na sa game no so no to me abaso ehone bekoso was Stade Mohamed V Stadium and so we Casablanca ehona as a game we no and so ebe to me akoso a jeti ni nyina and so ede banti 2 games eba so and so we CAF Champions League ni no and on na no ye dia to go so far as a group stages games no and so concern Zamalek and so NCR Belouizdad and the betumi abo and a Raja Casablanca and so any Vipers and so and the betumi abo and only games out and so betumi akoso and enyumre remu the top 5 major European leagues now. We say weekend, matches are out on and so toja honomo or China Jibre Tenasia, Yedinina, and so to me at Yaba. Na ene matches Bakuma Kubi and so PPMU and so read the French League Championella game back to me toja and so Alliance Riverel and no Nisi OGC Nisi Womoni AC Ayazu and I decide game no and so to me Ashisha so 8 p.m. sharp and as I game wino and so to me at Togwa Jeti and so at the Eba, Sanso and a German Bundesliga Friday night game. Back on so to me at Toja, 7:30 p.m. and as I came no, and so to me at Paso, Veltins Arena, guest in Kitchen, Shake Nufien, and as a Shaka 04, one more so at Tenafie, I will come in the Wolfsburg. No, said this I came no, and so to me at the Ashishaso and Yomansono, to me at Concain, Sanso Anna Uremo, the Italian Scudetto Nimua, Association Casio de Milan, you trying to friend AC Milan. Woman so defending champions last season. Woman to me AJ Scudetto no edi AC woman so ne woman etna Giuseppe Meazza San Siro. Now woman so we come Boboko friend Torino. Na game no so to me abaso 7:45 p.m. sharp. And as I game no so no ebe to me abaso Spanish Premier Santander La Liga no Remo honomo so game back on so no toja ene Estadio Nuevo Mirandela and no Cadiz Cromwell CF Cadiz. Woman so any Girona and this game no and so to me ashisha so 8 o'clock p.m. sharp and as I game no so no ninya and so to me atodwa jeti ninya and so to me edia bremo and to any games out draw Friday night football so far as our top 5 major European leagues no and so concern and so ye dia tuga e de ema jeti for ye be premu and so won semfufro mu ni ahwese de nyoma so be to me akwa unim say benada ye da enim ya on the 14th of February and the UEFA Champions League no group stages and as round of 16 matches no and so shase na shase no na hu behia se boss no ye betumi asesa ball eso no boa ene ura UEFA kacha ye dey ball group stages and ye remu round 16 e wo dia ye dey ball ye remu semi finals and finals and also e wo dia ye dey ball and to say round of 16 games no ye ba be no official match ball and also aba into be remu Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 na also wetumi ahwe se dia ball nete hu pa bo we die mi hu pa mi hu so kra ne mom no and also pa ye de to enim me de emihu na mom no efe eno so ne kakra ye betumi de atugwa afa UEFA official match ball wo mo etumi release Tuesday ya ye de to agoprama so ama teams a woto no enso etumi abo manioma so no etumi akonkan ntina no so no ene kakra ye de eba update free UEFA so no aso ya ye de to enim. Former Manchester United, one also player, your friend of Patrice Evra, or no a French international and no player. Back one who say to me, I retire. Nature so no so no didn't increase say any name as former player and as a footballer, or no so any name no penny no and no one in Cheshire Banner HSA 2019. Openino ekoye inyamo ho sembia okoke kan sembi wa brana Manchester United and so any bobukwa ye from Paris Saint-Germain obekai Lukaku and Rashford ekoye adibia na obi esusu se Manchester United entumi enkonkoye ewo Paris ma wom ko twa Paris Saint-Germain enso edi ewo UEFA Champions League mu ma wom so etumi qualify no Openino ana Patrice Evra sabrino na wom kira ono so VIP a okeka nsem awodo na enso edi fa Paris Saint-Germain bobuku no ho French football ho na numu ana nei Openino since 2019 no nhwehwemu ni nyina akoba ya wo mokeka nsem ni nyina bom no 1,000 euros and then find her wo mo dia to Openino so no so mba metua na nuoma so no entumi enkonkan next time enya de Openimu to say Patrice Evra onso betumi akeka nsem bia enye anase yenso so enso ewo football mu enso ne kakra update eba ye de to ye tie phones no enso enuma ye de ho nsem ni nyina enso e de eba over the weekend uremu Old Trafford game kese bi etumi ekoso Manchester United we come Crystal Palace ma game no etumi ekoso Manchester United win by 2-1 nemom no game no ekoso in the second half no ana Negan ni abrante Jeffrey Schlupp enso etumi ekotwa Anthony Manioma enso etumi ekoni dedem na enumu ana de bra obi etumi ekoso ewo game no mu a pinchen menteme ho ase bi etumi ekoi na enu de akwaye disagreement between Manchester United players enso any Crystal Palace players na enumu na abrante a ye friend no Casemiro enso etumi ekoso abrante ba kon Emery Hughes okoso ne mene ama ne red card no etumi ekoi na no ana English FA ni dia ba beto abonti so sese no masa punishment ne be kwama wonti wo mo serve Manchester United and Crystal Palace obi bia let us say nei mombra be yi me ho ano e wo misconduct mo nso mo hwe mo players metumi ekoso e wa agopraman so no obi bia emba be yi ne ho ano nti nei no wo mo etumi serve wo mo letter eni nyoma ekonkan ne mo punishment ne de we all respond we ya now so the punishment amount na nyoma nso etumi akonkan definitely these two teams no wo mo betumi afine wo mo ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan dra me break him out. Say Antonio Conte manager Edema Tottenham Hotspur papa no na ne ho edodo ne kakra nti bosum nie anase na wotwe nie ekono abrante no anase papa no akakopie mu ewo Italy ama wono so eja yarehwe na ne ho atono a endra de oba be pie mu ewo land na as to say Leicester City game a wo mo ne Tottenham ebo weekend yi opani ni betumi akobi anase enye ono no bekono ebre ne nkrabia na betumi akire yenso de ye kan na ne ye dokro mu a makwa hwehwe mu a ama ne latest amede tu anim no and say weekend we no opani friend Antonio Conte ebetena daga out mu enso ya de ama Tottenham Hotspur na nyoma nso no etumi akonkan ti Antonio Conte enso etumi aba obetumi atena daga out mu enso ebua ama Tottenham Hotspur nso no wo mo so game no etumi akonkan ehwa a yete won sem no ebremo endurant ya eba ne kire endura kra no okopie mu ewo training grounds enso ekohye nyoma ama nyoma nso no etumi ekonkan endura kro na ana mede betu wenim se timu a ye friend no Real Madrid wo mo so etu kwan aba be pie mu enso ewe ni Morocco Africa ha wo mo hwe nim se FIFA Club World Cup no enso ebetumi akonkan na emom no abrante friend no Eden Militao enso ne Karim Mustafa Benzema injury kakranti no ehia dia wo mutumi emeki squad no na emom no wo mo officials no that is the doctors no hwe nim se players we no wo mo ebetumi aton on time na finals no wo mo so etumi adwani group no green light no etumi aba ama doctors no declare these players no say fit enti wo mo etumi aba na make say yandra nwumre wo mo etumi alante Rabat Morocco kromwa omunso etumi adwani group no ama nyoma nso no etumi konkan ochenada finals no enso baso ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan ti ubehu Eden Militao enso ne Karim Mustafa Benzema omunso etumi attach base enso wo Morocco ama nyoma etumi akonkan ye de ho nsem no eba endrada ura UEFA anase FIFA aso ya unim say ne no awards no wo mo di nominees no eba nesa wo mo di aba ne mum shortlist no efe na wo mo de ba unim say ba bia group bia no na category bia no yeyi miensa ama ne o ma etumi akonkan drata me the men's goalkeeper any women's goalkeeper no enso etumi ebeto abonten na ne de etumi aba no enso the three finalists woman so every as FIFA Men's Coach of the Year. FIFA Men's Coach of the Year no urema shortlist no say netie Joseph Pep Guardiola and so ejremu etema Manchester City wa boeremu sanso ana Don Carlo Ancelotti ojremu etema Real Madrid onu so etumi aboeremu anefe Lionel Scaloni onu no lead Argentina eko wini World Cup no enso ewo Qatar no abrante no enso ejremu nti we need three shortlist managers womo vie for the first spot the obetumi winning manager of the year no enso etumi akonkan Joseph Pep Guardiola Don Carlo Ancelotti ene opani aye friend Lionel Scaloni womo nyina so ejinemu ama ne oma etumi konkan sanso na uremu ewo emano enso afemu a FIFA Women's Coach Award of the year no eno so say netie Sarina Patronella ono so no English Lioness no womo so manager na kire say England ura womo mai wani team na ono no coach enso eho ama ne oma etumi konkan sanso ana Pia Mariana Sandberg ono coach Brazilian national team women's team no ono so etumi abremu ana Sonia Bompasta ono no so no coach ene Lionel womo so maiwa team no ono so etumi emeki ama ne oma so no etumi konkan eno so ne kakra eno so free wopa yetini nyina enso etuja ama ne oma so no etumi akonkan entrada na ukohwemo ewo Saudi Arabian League na unimuse abrante ba kwa wakwa piemu enso eho ni nyoma nso no etumi konkan ye papa ama nyoma nso no konkan eho no na abrante a okopie mu hono Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro abranti legend mapa oye go to mapa edema world football na abranti na ndrata otumi ebo 4 goals enso ema nyoma etumi akonkan say ama ne club tally goals no etumi rise ama akodu 503 goals enso edema clubs awodo a wetumi esi akan from Sporting Lisbon eba be pie Manchester United ekopie mu Real Madrid eba be pie mu Italy Juventus esanso return back to Manchester United wasanso akopie mu enso ewa Saudi Arabia osi akan edema Al Nassr enso hono Brighton 503 and then goals club goals and Brighton nso etumi ahye enso ama nyoma etumi akonkan na say hat-tricks no enso akoye 61 hat-tricks and Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro enso etumi abo into 61 hat-tricks a opanyini no etumi abo no na say hat-tricks no say na tie between age 18 a ekwakohwremu sanka opanyini no ebedi 30 years no otumi ebo 30 hat-tricks and from 30 ekopim 38 years isi no 38 years until from 30 ekopim 38 no abrante netumi abo 31 hat-tricks na chese openini nyini kra no na hat-tricks no efe na eba mo ama nyoma nso etumi akonkan ti all together 61 career hat-tricks and wetumi abo as a professional footballer and so he is the only wetumi ayese ejuma no ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan di ama Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan yeti ahonsem no enso etumi ede eba na Thierry Henry ana wetumi akasa kakra edi atuka enti Thierry Henry say oti say Neymar say o free Barcelona akopie ma o Paris Saint-Germain because o free the shadow of Abrante friend Lionel Andre Messi Pochettino na ono nso etumi akono so we as pa ni na Neymar dey mistake kakra kani u fi baby akwa Abrante friend Messi no obi finance inkopie o baby a o Messi dabi uko yi Messi ya sanso aba Messi ya no sanso ginidin enso o baby a san wonti na chese masa udwane nyame a o hye nase eno ne nsem kakra Thierry Henry enso na nse ya no so weja ne dwuma to as assistant coach Edma Belgian national team no enso ehwa ye to go Chelsea ehwe nim say Brandt efren Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang François or Gabonese international striker Abrante ni si akan de ma Chelsea ni modern pono enhye dan konkan mum emfa mambo boku nu se wo mu na ehu ni yusu ye de a yenso de ne de ye nim enti se wo mu hwe nim se Los Angeles FC e ba be fa no enso de na ko MLS ni mu Chelsea ni wo mu awie kra akase ni Pierre-Emerick François Aubameyang na nkasa be ma green light no so atase so meko America na makwa akosi akan ama ni o man so no etumi akonkan ma bibia so no etumi ai kama Don Carlo Ancelotti ana wo mugusu a Brazil Don Carlo Ancelotti ana Brazil ehwe nim se wo betumi apaw no na ono so no tite wo mapone na ase tu okoi na ono so aba beje Brazil national team no enso etumi ekochi na chese Vinicius Junior no mo a ono amba Rodrigo Goes Eder Militao ono wo mumeye adwuma na bibia nso no entumi enkonkan no kakra eno so efri wo eba Alexandra Morgan unim se FIFA Women's World Cup no enso eba so na eba so no ana wo makwa ko bisa se Saudi Arabia sponsorship a elder so no Saudi Arabia na nei FIFA akotebredi fina Alexandra Morgan o legend papa wetumi agi World Cup no premier 2015 2019 ni nyina oboa United States of America wo mu women's team no etumi agi World Cup no na baba wai ne modern mo konkan mi pa ana odi aba betu ga se no Saudi Arabia empe ma football wo mu nso ma football na nsenya ana demonstration akese any sanctions akese na wo mu etumi ate ma football ntino hu hia kura se wo mo beje sponsorship bia enso e dey free ene no Saudi Arabia yentie nsem ababa wa no enso e dey etuga.
It's bizarre that FIFA has looked to have a Visit Saudi sponsorship for the Women's World Cup when I myself, Alex Morgan, would not even be supported and accepted in that country. So I just don't understand it. I think that what Saudi Arabia can do is put efforts into their women's team that was just formed only a couple of years ago and doesn't even have a current ranking within the FIFA ranking system because of the such few games that they've played. So that would be my advice to them.
Ne advice kakra ono so etumi edema me kwei na chese yentumi enja yen ayen de wosa Mohamed Kudus endro bogo kama enso SNT team my friend Ajax Amsterdam so no ewo wo mo kapa wo mo ebono wo mo enso etumi advance edeko no body only go enso edema Ajax Amsterdam na brand no enso emaye ni feeling kakra after say wo mu coach na nei ohun said oye kudus no wo mu born na situ no foforo na waba ne de o se masa wa ma me new rule na nso no eguso a yeguso ejuma no betumi akonkan.
It's a new position for me, but the most important thing is having the freedom to play how I want to play, and the coach gives me that freedom, and I don't feel restricted from how I want to play. So even though I still prefer to play as a midfielder, but even if I play on the right wing, you can see I still do my best for the team. It's the team that's the most important, you know. So it's a new position, but it's good for my development as well. So I just do my best to help the team win.
Yes, despite say opening buyer we to me assistant in position ende no obono eno enche so to me embon mo homodin na mom no obekoso apono homodin so no e de aboani team no na ni homan so no etumi akonkan no kakra Mohammed Kudus enso etumi e de etuga ye de etu yetiefu ani ma na brema kwan ama ye de amona ne semo a ye boapo ano ni nyina enso e de pai no ye betumi enso e de asimi jemu enso e de ma pa solo paradise na jumedia wodona yenso yetumi e de ato aso.
Okay, enti ya da crop ya se odin akọ amanone na yakwetie eno nso yemu nsem ko Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 ewo Facebook ya sebe amakoma himfie also watching the show live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop inside Amakoma.
Do you need a quick loan?
Good morning. Eno ya sebe ne dia ono so dia ba Star Boy enso dia ba na say I am enjoying the show live and clear at I have meme Champion Power Solo Paradise, more fire. Kotoko is winning on Sunday. Greetings to Filippo, Atimantim, Tactus Man, Oyibo Boateng, and my lovely father. No joke. And also a Star Boy there. Victor Hene said, you the fire pa, Okoman Global Sports, papa, ya damuna sinti. Also over to me do comment. Eddie Abba, our Facebook, Okoman Radio 97.1 or the bar ya beje bracken kan ediama ya ba bedi ama ne nkomo kakra na mom mami ma uska e ka trans mami ma na kwaba e ka kwaba
solo mejo so
doko
oh yankopo ado
okay
bia kama
all right
down so ye
oh me hu ye
okay
wa ron pa bo na sha me yi die e be ne den
sa
anopen mo amanfo ska etiefo etie ye no na Tuesday and I have Valentine Day, no?
Yes, 14th.
Yes, 14th. But yeah, shasi Valentine Day shasi Crop ya say washa ne de asine. Now they are to us Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Sunday, Tuesday na nkasa to aso.
Okay.
Na ska ni ubotomu a sakwa de ne kan ye.
It is say bianti.
Enti untumi ndi Valentine no. Na enene ne chena de ye special one pa. Ni na ne say obefa wo phone no. Say smartphone. And I say yam phone be a kita ubia no. Ni here so obefa no wa dale *78# *787# *787#. O dale a na fe we wuram na wa choose option 1. U choose option 1 na e be sen aba se o ticket no dodo bi a wo pe no. Also pick it ene e wo nchen dodo a wo pe no. Then so wow they are the ding kama ebesen aba o mobile money no ebeba say amount no bo shaho eye 5 cedis pe obo shaho a afi ye beju atum na ne tie nie anopa tutu no a ni titru eye wo chena anopa no a wo yesa *787# no obo wie ya u follow options na no na bibia ko yia udam 10,000 Ghana cedis uye wie na bibia ko yie dia udam 10,000 Ghana cedis na numere eno ya jackpot no eno so ubo *787# ewie na option no u follow ne sa na wie bibia na bibia didadin a eno so udam 690,000 Ghana cedis enumere no sika ubedi no 690,000 and a fee raffle price no and also we bought *787# now we now follow option bibia we are bibia go through and also them 10,000 Ghana cedis to na kasiye na di ne kasiye en kane en ya sanlai ekojan loto kiosk enim say you could loto oho no so for ba utumete te on person be hu say asori panyin ucha loto Umpeso be un say asole ba utwa loto. Enkan no na
kwata na unze vanze wo akwantum wa free agent twa number yi ma me dwa me ba ma awe free bia no angotwa na akobo we no utika mu o enfa o fie ni nya za okura o telephone okura phone na wo star 787 asa udem anu ansa okwa na je say your phone no toma aja 10,000 Ghana cedis ya ma 10,000 Ghana cedis udia odisi adwuma say 100 million and that from Korobia Beya aye kukuti ebe se no sa 690 Ghana we need jackpot ya
6.9 billion
my friend pay obe twitwi no za izan say 6.9 aba no
obakra na offer call
say no so for ye make at no ntino anonso ntino ene mema obi amo osudwa pesika gu botom yeah vals day na ye di valentine ye di na ye chocolate sabo tie ye ka vals day promo no ye chocolate sam ye the vals ye mausika 10,000 Ghana cedis. Fana Fakodi Valentine. Until star 787 hash.
Yes.
Your body a gum. I just say, be a pisikari. I said, no. Until a time, memenda.
Yes.
Memenda when you mean jackpot.
Yes.
Jackpot draw no.
Yes.
Until obo phone number star 787 hash na. Now what me asen na what choose option 1.
Yes.
What choose option 1? I be ma ticket no.
Do
be a pay.
Be a bosha ho.
Bosha ho pay. E chena jackpot no. Ubetumi wini 6.9 billion.
Ziggy wo control room you.
Yes, bibia bobu bia gum. It's jackpot no dey Amanfo dey omo agema na efiada. E chena jackpot no dey ne bokuma kopema chena jackpot na chena nwumre. Bonse nkwama de na party bia besa to no boys no. Bojiji mwani no jackpot ni tu betuma ye. Vaze vupa ongo na bia free baby girl no abafie. Na ye se won so wagigi egu no so. Na ye se bibia kama ntino jackpot na ye star 787 hash.
Yes,
star 787 hash. Anu an ye di adwuma ye se na boys na tu egu so. Asofo ni nyina ye asofo preach no di aso dem no kran tablet a.
Papa wan test of.
Eh so kan Bible quotation obo wa boss star 787 hash. Obedu fie no buburu ja. No dem awarefo ye maame mu anu an omo ye. Ye na no wa amana no kra na onu se obo star 787 hash. Obedi sika 10,000 wa amana na nshara ha no. Intene Lisa Brown obi me kan tie na pesika boss star 787 hash. Lisa tie star 787 hash professional one. O the pesika e de gubo to akoso ansa no. O to bo
nko ba bia
David Krachi bia minim
fie na wanyeska
na no for this Krachi for be ba na bia minim yet eni mu ana we crazy what number no what is crow amfa na fi na eni zo ngwa
number correct one
muntie star 787 hash oba so dem to ticket na pay the mobile money pin to ticket na you run it for the 10,000 Ghana cedis udem edu memene da bia nwumere so na jackpot no 690,000 Ghana cedis 6.9 billion so no udem a obetumi da ko wani na da bo bra na say bibia kama
and we chance wo offer anopa
chance for enwumere yes anya ba ko na board breaking grind
ya wo born ba ko na eno an
obu a twalo twetwe da be twado be sha okoko atare no ibesi ni ama be horo aso na be shinti
no yeah
but I'm not going to say brepam you be chat ye zo ofia no questions wo 10 questions you be start out chatting na you to you chow mobile phone
ya mobile so kakra ma Amanfo won
question na fan say yeah na utie na questions so re ansa
aka me to kitu e
dabi we two questions
number 1 no yeah number 1 what is the name of the mobile phone or the mobile phone game where players can win amazing cash prizes?
Yes, no.
And star 787 hash.
Star 787 hash. Okay, guma
question number 1.
Abera no sini ebisa question. Enye ne abera no sini etena ebisa question. O ansa ni nyina ye chede bubuja.
Phone bebem
sika bebem. No wa sha no so apesika. Enso no atumi ade agubo tomti. No so no.
Ebom se o yonko ani eka. Na se wo ba betwa #AK na fe with the star 787 hash no e de aka ho oyonko no krobia na the hashtag na ba krobia eyeme nso a na the hashtag na ba pasolo and paradise now the aba now the star 787 hash the asoso na watwa obenya sika
pesika de bia na meka ye bre nyina ya isikentia anya oba nti isikentia unya sika na ma na beba eti pesika gu ho
onko ho nko kasa bebre
dabi kro bia on pesika bienu na ono no
kro bia de so no de oyade
bienu
kro bia nyama bi say
oni de ni start 787
we die easy kra
solo
what's it
eke kan se bi oti unyeska na we di kan so se bi an beba unyeska obi aben na osan beba bio
oh some wa about down
pesa Amanfo nye clear say on kan ye on
me ka chi obi a o wa bonde
oh right be diska so what you say
diska
and me always say guys in the wo be ejuma oh yes wo be ejuma
star 787
sure simple crowd
ye kwa abontin so ye kwa abontin
yes
oh and there
yes ye kwa abontin because obi wa hu say o se soro kra if you know or fixing da obodan bi so ne ade so I think
you be grounds na
yes you be ejuma ntino sika de won be dipa
say boys diska weekend is boys diska
wentie yen keke utie yen nyamfaso
star 787 hash
yes
star 787 hash the moment I ukura smartphone yam phone mu no uni phone
yes
and prompt no beba
yes
now we follow prompt no
bam
we follow prompt no systematically
wait Emaye, Barima.
Nyanza wadi 18 years. Nyanza wanya 18 years. School training college foi. Me hu se mo na mkrum sa na mu su. Pesika, me come do wo school.
You be so I register mobile money.
Yes.
Because I know so now what the
all with your payment no. Yes, you know. ano boys no yema musika mebu no we adwuma o adwuma yema musika
so we all networks
network bia okay gum na go bible na kan say nyakopo nsia na manyi buy the for abra adwuma de
wan fan ka ho
yes ntirede nyakopo nsia
we kuta phone keke ne diska ne mia wo phone keke ne diska
when you say oh through application akoba bi na bra interview na ya fa na abeti enkan de and star 787 odi adwuma obo star 787 hash star 787 hash sika na aba no
ya fe na akojiro bi anima yes amasa master me ya adwuma untu ya meka o ebi nu ho we ya o phone no
upesika master bosu medu kura no untu ya kura na wangaza
wo ukra utu bi bo na bosia
yes for the Nicola
oh god master what the meka there but what the say
go do ya star 787 hash star 787 hash pesika na yeah
watch na Saturday
yes
watch na
was
a jackpot
no
put me bubu no
disika 690,000 Ghana cedis 6.9 billion I mean the jackpot yeah kebi unum dada I'm there oh na no video na me ma say kuruba no mata na ha chelo in fact di kan you know we are there anope makagum me tie nyina me gusu kagum you know na wo say kuruba bia so kagum oye calculation say na scan bo be chiche ma fa ne ade nyina Amanfo yes ka okoma
me anope me di kan ka ba ko agum they say me wi am say keke
gum na ti boys no muntie anye fi no be nya me and you na wa twiki par wa ba to achi na ya ma she
one go pedi aya
o yem be su be BP be ko soro we BP sem me anim star 787 hash ska dem what is ska so lo yaku anim
all right enti ya no ya me din komo kakra e wo amanone matches ahro no ebeba so Ronaldo so gusu set record no okay me sha se wo ho
say why Ronaldo asama
oh some in can say
ya mo na baso ya o sama na nsam
kakra bi kekebe
okay neli kama yambo Cristiano Ronaldo about to say ni wetin ma say 500 club career goal na just say uchirichiri ma fees ne club football obo no wetin ma say 500 goals and so starting from Sporting Lisbon Portugal be PMO Manchester United so Real Madrid Juventus basamba Manchester United BM and then copy Al Nassr and in Saudi Arabia and Yambo Ronaldo about so now because carpenter for no show go so but you can be oh I yes that's I need the own to me and he's one of the greatest footballers made many in football history the likes of a Wopele Muyameto so more but a certain Ronaldo now who enjoy now I think said actually cast some show the history of football unto me Cristiano Ronaldo and so no into me and free mutino young bona about so kasieba mananense menchara ni enzembia wa mananense but Manchester City issues and so that so boba and you know lawyer sakasa almost no to me edium response and so no to me about concerning charges and you know the English FA and so no to me ediabo na response na ba na things I no be din here papa and the charges no ko butia ma na say mra ne bubo ma yen ni wasotwe am pay for share some the mom either say yeah till 15 points and I say yeah ma demotion e dey call the 4th year of English football and me yin is most of the football having fans so the likes of Erling Haaland, Kevin De Bruyne, Riyad Mahrez, Pep Guardiola coaching the 4th year of English football. And you know, idea, yes, no, I am ready, do and I do. But then Juventus, and I think last week, or maybe, ye did Axiom 15 points, you know. I think it's a bit more than Man City, so there, no. I'm 15 points, a point deduction, there is a Arsenal at 2 years, almost no. I dey call my names about as much as we can say, no. You just say, peri yo embra a football ni mo umemo bi mfasikan bi omi mfasikan sisi obi e football na peri yo about a football ni ma you say football no e bit my fan to my pay fra FIFA na kan asem say my game is fair play into no say to me ba ne sanso a beboa abrantie ba ko and so no FC Barcelona na no dynamic kan wan asem a kira krobia abrantie na di Sergio Roberto FC Barcelona and I don't know near Barcelona who our brand Sergio Roberto. I know another report nearby saying contract extension at the FC Barcelona. And then Barcelona was certain Sergio Dest a ton called AC Milan. And after say Roberto be prior now recover, you know. There's nothing exceptional why I saying a year brand saying really Sergio Dest. It's the ultimate ton Sergio Dest, ultimate ton Nelson Temedo. And when I did not a knee over so uton Hector Bellerin. Now but so renew a brand and they say you Roberto contractor. To me, it doesn't make any sense. And my FC Barcelona, but still now Branton likely say Obe renew the contract. Ningina is the days at FC Barcelona to me say go against Paris Saint-Germain. And my Barca qualify for many in the Champions League. You know, I say no and you ODD and no as on the Abedu. But I think it's Barcelona to find a proper right back because I'm just going the any right back or a central defender. Ronald Arejo any right back or a central defender. Into a Okoman is an Barcelona any proper right back we are. Into best generally someone top player we are. We do some anima. You best say a proper right back. Now kono so meboa. Yeah, Barca team no. Weekend is a matches for China. Ebi urem. Yeah, if match into no amana ne kaka ni America no.
Okay, eke no. Crop ya bra kakre. E wa ma na.
Oh.
Yeah, me so ya family how them to aso.
FIFA had Ogusu release shortlist for the various categories so far as a FIFA awards no are concerned and back one me interested in any papa friend no the other category of men's manager of the year no as to who wins it no and no and we kakra e ho e mami because my ankasa personally me was my favorite and aside my emotions, any sentiment, any baby me no, the reality on the ground, so no, and FIFA best manager there. I think that with a short list, our penny for the Abano, Carlo Ancelotti for Real Madrid last season, winning the La Liga for Real Madrid, winning the UEFA Champions League for Real Madrid. You know, I think that these are the two major trophies are Openia Efreno Don Carlo Ancelotti winning them Real Madrid. Okay. Now
Probably I'm ko amane somra na me you went through on afi beto aso mame. Yakwana yani Dreams FC, communication director or also a media officer, Edima Bobo no Mr. Delali, Eddie and Komo. Alpha Dreams, and Kotoko game one, Ebasunyama Sunday no and so on. Mr. Dela Otemenka, good morning at the bar Okoman Radio so.
Mr. Good morning, so be away.
About or bad the Adumobia who you now swear.
Yes, Adum Aduminia.
Okay, the Yankopon so I say. Yansha Nyami Aduma Sunday Dreams elbow against Asante Kotoko. I was the Agropama so game no more approaching the same Moody can boy before more Bababo Kotoko. I was the Emediana Ebeje points in the coye. Most time better answer Sama Kotoko Babe fan answer game no near my question the Amamo.
I would just have to clear this. Say, me a Dreams media officer, me Dreams communication director.
Okay.
That's just by the way. But say the outcome, you to say last game I ball, they will Ghana say 1-0, which was very painful because Ghana was stadium now share ball now. We played everything and not any ball more than the coaches did everything possible. Say you bet me are winning and we have performance now. We created a lot of chances. It was just a sad games now, over ball now, but you just be unfortunate and it happens. Football, there are some days that lacking inside a new side, and that's one tactics cannot explain it. And, you know, yes, we last game I bought the win, you lose here, but it is not a game that you would use to judge our performance because it's a game that we played very well, and I'm sure anybody who came to the stadium would admit that. Apart from the early goal, again, I say, Oman created chance there. We created all the chances. We did everything possible to get the point, but it was just like that was not on our side. And one thing about football, and it's a baby America say, I did be any here about chance now, so we to say football, and we have gotten another opportunity, a perfect opportunity to correct all the wrongs, work towards the next game. And at least it's also another big game against Akuffo, against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Into Social Kotoko, they've had a good run. Their last game, they managed to win. And football, win can be a motivating factor. Oh, we need a bit more motivate. Oh, we susua, bit more motivate to say and you know. And yes, we lost at the U, but the fans would be about the other jail to me say we played very well, but it was just that we were not lucky. And you know. Even if we replicate the same performance against Kotoko we are not going to lose the game. We are not going to sit at the wood say Kotoko should come and beat us. And also your performance this season against the big teams now, we've not been bad yet. We went to Akropong Stadium to beat Akuffo. When no be arguing and say a game I ever had, you lose. But also your performance ever since the World Cup in the Bayern now. We've lost one game pair, and that's the one that I played against Adriana. So you know, statistically, our performance has been good, and we want to continue like that, irrespective of the opponent. Say Kotoko, say Liberty, say Huayun. Once you are playing at the wood here, when you say supporters remember buying their numbers, and we will make sure say we get the results and the maximum points.
Okay, yẹn musa Kotoko ẹyẹ club ọba Dreams home ọbẹ ha adwen paa anya bia ne point bi de obenya ẹdi akọ preparation ne te sẹ amudi si asa adeɛ no this time around yẹ mo mfe nkọ ana.
Me obi ẹ nọ ma ọwọ ẹjapade ọbẹ kasi ọtena wa mo bi abẹ ẹdẹ abẹ chinchin mi saadi so but it's just that sometimes they are open ẹnyẹ no na ọyẹ dẹ and I see head coach players in the Kasai, and the head coach was saying, say Kotoko, say Adriana, they are playing with the same mentality, say prepare, be determined, or pack but and go and give you 100% on the pitch, and that is the most important thing. And the mentality is right; you always get the point. So like you put it in your mind that. Anytime they are Kotoko, they will be, and it's true. Like they are one of the teams that have not been bad at least their points that they will always get. But And I also refer you to say, before I ever go against half of football, Akuffo Stadium. Now, almost every game I about Akuffo Stadium, no matter the opponent. So what I say. But we went into the game with the belief that we are going to break a jinx, and we managed to do that. It's against Kotoko, so the players are determined. Say, in as much as Kotoko have been good against Arsenal. Another thing should be say, Zito, our head coach, he has been able to beat Kotoko before. So what I say, and okay, really G8 now. He's the one who managed to beat Kotoko and House of Folk. And when it comes to Zito, he knows how to play against these big teams, and on him how he can beat them. So if there's anybody who can help us do that, then Zito. And the important thing is going on the pitch with a good mentality. And that is what many players in Nakasa, many coaches in Kasa, that is what they are going to do. They are going to make sure that they play with the mentality that you've been given. It's winning matches, the same mentality, and go and give everything on the pitch. And at the end of the day, once you give everything, the results will be in your favor.
Okay. Injury situation our camp at the same.
Obiaye Faith. Your last game I boy Olympics ever Akuffo Stadium. The share shapon enya no kakre bi but and do training grounds no not all training. So in terms of injury, everybody is fit. Obiaye available for selection. And that is a very good news. Obiaye everybody is fit. And that is something that you will need when you are going to games like this. Injury there, Obiaye fit Obiaye bit must start.
That's it. Me pacho adia way my nya ne clear ewa ha. Say when you dreams FC head coach. You know say coach Karim Zito and a matches no air Koswa this time around original touchline. But now before say Obeba touchline now the position a technical director. And we against Diana Stars. You want goalkeeper's trainer ewo touchline. You post match interview goalkeeper's trainer and a buyer. Why need Dreams FC head coach currently?
Okay, so your Dreams, your coach, your technical director, and I'll serve as head coach. So what you say?
Okay.
So what you say?
Matthias,
can you do to your Dreams technical director? But he's serving as the head coach of the club. The NCR, so he said with a Dortmund and an assistant coach.
Yeah.
But with a Dortmund, meaning say Yamatia.
Yeah, tepa.
Dortmund ye akababy. And akababy yen timi ko fan say say omba gabi e wi yen ba yen yesa Ghana for obi adiato ni I was saying na ye support no yen timi ko kan say omba no he will not even be in his right state to talk to the American. So we give him exemption. Say obetima to a year, obetima ye and catch you be up say obi ambra number support na ye ne be 26 February. Until now who with a Dortmund or Benton. So and I goalkeeper trainer so or like he has the certificate, he has the knowledge. Because we say every goalkeeper trainer he goes through the coaching courses.
Okay.
The goalkeeper trainer it's a CAF license holder. Kita certificate to kita bibia, and then Zito board about continuing coach. Like the technical team is a lot of people. And once the goalkeeper trainer is there, he qualifies to assist Zito, and it's very important because you need it. And yes, I new opponent the about the technical men or also saying, and sometimes it can be a factor. And we are in a situation that you can't like yes you look at in quantity if I don't mind to me the antimi ko kan say enyepo because Dortmund like a son of the club like with the club in theater and he's more or less like a family adiato me nia yen nyina yentimi ka say ko fanaba so what I say it's not even right, it's not good say be yesa the match be ayebon. He has been supporting us with prayers and all that, but that's why who are around me.
Okay. To wasi here, say Dreams and said the new coach and Kasa there, but technical director technical director Karim Zito and Juma no double as coach.
Ukasi the new coach who is technical director and the Juman and a head coach in the Juman. So
okay.
The technical director is a CAF license holder.
Yeah, by the role, I want team no a technical director. And I just saw no share a coach. And yes, sir.
He's the technical director of the club, but here he's the coach.
Okay.
So
okay. Matthias,
coach on the media, Obi head of sports, no or TV presenter.
No correct. Matthias,
I'm a head of sports, but also a TV presenter. I don't say Mojuma Muni presenter, and I say
only head.
Head. But Juman only be na the amount say.
Yate that's say wo no more. Media accreditation at the same.
Me that's point we be some name. What we say anytime I bought dreams me like half and I dreams me kotoko. You need a way to be able to manage the crowd. Said the albeit me I manage crowd ni no one manage ni panel beba said the only say ni padugo say na eden eba and I'll be security level intina ya dream say yeah ma special accreditation and I'm sure say this is not the first time so you'll be about dreams ya match say any
has kotoko abono
and asem so no question say dreams for match say almost down bow but the mo ya the mo fine. You know, Kotokoni has to know who they are passion there, and it's not it's okay. But I would also say anytime they are about match beyond more than so bad, a house a Liberty, a BPN Gold Stars, a Oko United, meet a central for the more than normal. So, what we are doing is say, special accreditation. I'm sure everybody is aware of this. It's in Oba, the Bemau accreditation maybe. Said ya over media stance on the security man and now steward in the Bahwa. What they are not saying now, you say, Muni now look at the same car, sort of way. Because FNA accreditation on your marginal phone and you obeying it to tabi. Yes, so to be Akuffo for the man.
Yeah, young Queen, me will be.
So it's say a bayana and for yet to say, Ukita be for me. Now, for the security now, say, steward, no, I confused. And me, I may.
And don't think I'm more special accreditation, you know.
So that we will all be organized, so that there will be a good identification. And in football and crowd management, even during the World Cup, now I was fortunate to work with FIFA. Those are the things they do. Said yeah, steward no bar until go for or no until Okasa no, but once I get accreditation, I be attend say obi okita we be an man in Tinahan. But who can not sit na but once obi to be for at the end of the day, the person situation be no be aka say oh obi a journalist by a fan of Kosia Bontin and I am because we need to identify who he is. Because games like this, you don't have to underrate anything. It's in say special accreditation. Oh dear. You can't see a bow. Yeah, I am. Yes, just apply. Now you say, oh, yeah, media house A na Oba. It's no bar need na accreditation. Yes, so I will be say, yeah, nipa or mobile. It's say you won't so be near the Bema and you say, oh, nipa 10 then. Eba into the so the mama mo nipa 10. So who am passion?
Yeah, tell say, enti da bena yemrambaje.
And meaning so email now,
yeah, apply. Yeah, can say they apply. Yeah, that. And you never bet you entrance war, Anna.
Said the entrance on my I'll say by you better start by 10, right after the morning pre-match. Now by 10, I start the same by and some by warm up. He said by 1 year. Na ya move ya ni na itima ko ida cause so ube shop ube sentu na ube yuma na se oba ni aye warm up ya so on am patchen ya brand came because supporters ni subeba
okay
ya yen supporters ni be gidi ya so ya wo yen chen ya ji na kupon boy tin ji ya na ya den ni akọ inside
okay ya den ko
ticket no so 50 cities, 50 cities for VIP and 30 cities for VVIP wings. So say what about the down say with the presidential no one. Chain honum VVIP wings and with the 30 cities and sana the popular stand near 20 cities. The same will be in my brain numbers. Number support
20, 30, 50.
Exactly. Obia between the aviation. I make sure say Obia Benyani and Obia Beshe. Now number support here. Number support dreams. Na yentini say that yentini ko share half bo Accra no na yentini yenim say mo support here at ahodimu and paibo match because see we winning match is fine. And the between on say Obo home support is so ehun ye den.
Ehun ehia pa.
Sa nti mo bra na yemi na ade wo fi aweden oye.
Okay, sanya wo kasa ade wo fi oye. Ema me atwem adwen ase ade bi so. Say ya mo bebo mo matches na e wo home a. Publicity na hu hia. Ye wa ha yi a. Ubetumi adi afa ha. Ohu. Eya ma mo ntwen se ye mo mpu mu ansa. Ubetumi adi afa. Supporters na mo wa around ha. Say enya has no kotokonkwa na wo se de bi e bo hu dawuro. Other clubs no. E wo se mo publicity no. Etumi ekọ. Wahu. I don't know supporters no so beba.
Matias, it's your someone in our boy. So
yeah, boy, no one here, boy. But yeah, you are most momra.
Said our friend, you said our friend. I knew Obufu for so home. Now, friend, Mr. So, I'm a pattern. Near, yeah, come much be out there. Me sober, much be a baby come.
Mate. Number 9 different one to the yeah what's happening saving number no why yeah so yeah no you near my
oh that is the name I feel the man I was to the yeah come on
okay yeah that's Delali yeah that's pa yeah bring into the basic na ticket ne dia no waka ni nyina nti nia wo kan say supporters number in their numbers and be supported Dreams FC team no against Asante Kotoko yami aduma kwasi ada 3 p.m. ewo Dell Sports Stadium ti ya beda wase ene omre bibi foforo bia na ebesen aba na ya ne wase aba bedin komo
ba
enti Delali wono enso ya media officer e de ma Dreams FC Boboko no and I know ADM come on. Crab for a new scene after.
Oh, you would have a lot of time, maybe, possibly, if probably.
Ochina.
Nyameya Duma.
Yeah.
Maybe. Ochina.
Okay.
Nyameya Duma. Intinu yanshare.
Okay. Inti. My memfa fixtures na kakra and to guana Amanfo hu senia and also ewo local stories no. And so yemu yemra fie na yemambedi eno so ho nkomo kakra enso ewo ehanu mu sei na odu wani akiremo dia Ghana Premier League Monday 17 no ebeba so sanso na Division 1 League enso matches ahoro enso ya dia ewo so Ghana Premier League no sei na etie ene 3 p.m. match wey ebeba so wo Bechem na Nafosuji Abo Park Bechem United ene Aduana Stars ebebo 3 p.m. na fe watchna enso no Accra Heart of Folk enso ni Brekum Chelsea ebebo wa Accra Sports Stadium watchna yeba Sunday matches no a Dreams FC ebetra Dawunu Kotoko ebebo Sunday 3 p.m. Kimfesa enso ene Bobo Kwandide Real Tamale United ebebo Baba Yara Sports Stadium and also a Sunday na fe Tamale Cities enso ene Mediama enso bebo wa Tamale Sports Stadium FC Samates ebesha Legon Cities ewon Central Sports Complex na fe enso Atreman ewon Nana Kromansa Park no amoni Accra Great Olympics enso ebebo Karela United ewo Camp Park ebeshia Kotoku Royals no mo so e dia bani na fe Monday Accra Lions eni bibia ni Gold Stars enso dia bani ewo Accra Sports Stadium ntia no ya fixtures ewo ho e de Emma Ghana Premier League no Division 1 League matches ebeba so ochina yebe jibre na no ya bubo oboso na fe Women's League no so matches enso ebeba so Women's League no yebenya Berry Ladies ne Hazakers Ladies bebo Esiam Socrates ebeshia Rich City Faith Ladies enso eno soccer intellectuals Police Ladies beshia Tender Queens Army ladies and so ne lady strikers and so ebebo ewo women's league no and so mu northern ladies be champion da kwa prisons and pepia ladies bebo Ashtown ladies be chia Tamale super ladies na fe Candy Soccer Academy ni Supreme ladies Dreams ladies and so be chia Fabulous ladies na omonso ede abani na obeka referee Akumate ono kwedi kotoko enso ne Gold Stars game no wo bibiani na sa referee no e na ball bibiani Gold Stars player ba konsa na oje foul penalty mo edi etia Kumase Asante kotoko no kolokofo akasa nsem ihu atworo de akoma FA ya endra FA eso the report no aba bedwuram se referee Akumate ono 10 matches ban ya de amano 10 matches enya dia ono so bedwuram di esi aye odi bedi match bia enso ewo honti 10 matches ena ya dia ma referee Akumate se enya dia ono so ebedi ebi ewo ho enu echi no ya sanso edimotino de na Eko division 1 se eho no no so enkonko di nejuma enso honti eno eye referee Akumate ne ho enkomo kakra enso aba ena yede ema wo abrante ndede Mohammed Al Hassan ono so nya kwa kopimo Asante kotoko wono so ekwa kwesi akan edema kotoko Boboko no sanso na coach Francis Otiakenten Boboko and the Beche United appointed on say new technical director and afenso osanko akoye youth team no and so head coach Beche United team no and so akache in some way bebre ka ho ochina ebreninti ochina yetrasia yebesheda na yede ehon komodi ama yebeba bedimu enkomo emrepa no yebebu ahoma na tum na fe o de wadwenkyere enso atumi edi aba 11:41 club ya yamre fie na fe yemhwe matches ahoro a eba so na fe ensema ya brobro so mo Hassan kokotoko na okwakwesi akan from Hatofok to Kotoko and na fe referee Akumate 10 matches ban yes and so di na call division 1 league say onkonko di na matches no.
Well, solo bet you be a very good afternoon. Special greetings in so and confirmer and KC trend fashion designers guys eguso awomo nyoma things say be so ya meton credible.
Okay.
Be a special mention and call and farmer on nature say nyame nshira wona ne awomo ye bia no nyame ema ejuma awomo ye bia yen nshira na nyoma nso no enye kama. Well, I think that one area Kotoko has been suffering, one more has suffered from the very first, and I say from the very start of the season, this particular season has got to do with one more central defenders, You see Mubarak, Andrew Sapeo, Maxwell Ajimain, these players, central defenders we're talking about. And Shedaima performance as a player, donning Krobia, the Porcupine Warriors, just Omotumia Diama Kotoko. As a central defender of Kotoko and as a defender of Kotoko, I think that these players are Mabubo Mudino and said that and do that level to represent the Porcupines. Because Ejuma Womayeno, which you see from Mubarak, he's an experience, you modern ball, Edema Ashanti good before and son of Babi Piemu, Ewo Kotoko. Obe PMO Kotoko no obeye ejuma under the tutelage of Openia ye friend Ganiu Abdul Ganiu, former Kotoko captain on any bebo ejuma. But I think say with the absence of Ganiu and I say Ganiu a party ways with Kotoko no na anko bi ehwe nim say abranti ye friend you see from Mubarak that experience ebe break Kotoko. Now with the young lads one more AD ni na ase no ono nso ebetumi ayeden ma won bibi anase esua bibi efinu ho manka wo munso etumi ababe top notch defenders e dia ma Kotoko team no. But I think say ono ankasa being the leader no at the back no entumi lift it up the performance entumi mad and show that leadership quality obenya no even under Openia friend Abdul Ganiu no enya do way to me show bibia. And now he started the season so well without disputing any fact of any performance or the Kotoko with the start of the season. but echiri no injury so setting na he's even yet to return to the group and as a teammate no one more to me about training and so to menya atwa season so dey Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Andrew Sapeu and that of Maxwell Ajimai and so Emma Kotoko that consistency in terms of performance wo mo eda na dey Edema club no ene Maxwell Ajimai ebeda performance eso ni di ochenada obe say no then ye the Andrew Sapeu obeba ye the Justice Blay if ye the midfielders na dey partner the central defenders role no so it has got to do with major problem by the Makotoko this particular time in this particular season, you know, and domestic scene one top central defenders. I think say it was Ganiu Mohamed Alasan and that argument, you know, I hope for the past 3 seasons in here, na that argument, you know, and Ganiu Elkono. To me and feel that who no with any other central defenders in the domestic scene than a branch friend Mohamed Alasan and I think say a good steal from Kotoko say we to me aya ode ni experience and so but because Kotoko a leader one more quite promising and talented central defenders but one here leader obe to me aya den aboa wo yenhwe Mohamed Alasan or the negatives near day, but Yemshe Mohamed Alasan, a partner branch friend, Kunedu Yadom, Edema Black Galazis. Yeah. It was super. Yes. The absence of Mohamed Alasan, Niemshe Kunedu Yadom, Niama Wamukoye, and so our chan tournament. So I think say the experience is never in doubt or the negatives near day because now. What the ball to nature are very difficult so be to me then HAC ball but Ojinechiwa the person he is the finest not one he is the finest in terms of defenders are one more passe party he is the finest in the country and I think that would do for Krobia Kumasi Asante but as to whom all be partner brand no anyhow I won't be to me jelly up not that understanding crucial moment you book caref the end of the season you know na Odi Mohamed Alasan ban. Nia obetumia partner no na umbenya that telepathic understanding, that cohesion no ebetumia eden aye juma no and also another question for the technical team say umbetumia finding solution e dia masa problem no and so we lay that one to the technical team especially the coach and the other staff are one participating in the training session of the playing body no I think say no and ebetumia so but with all said and done, I think they're a good addition to the Kotoko central defenders our more so far. So Oba obey to me and so that experience need to me abwa.
Okay.
Back to Premier League and the games are out on about so bet power. Yema the sponsorship you know that credit. So always be na in the Keto Kriku amba mekasi sponsors no kra media for mo mudi ni nyina account you know e fama won bet power Premier League you know. And also returning in a big game or a Barcelona solo a big game and when we say under the reign and I say under the leadership of Ketiyeso Krikuno Adriana starts saying to me share Bechem United did that and even before Keto Kriku Adriana share Bechem United the last 5 meetings I won Asia Ninano Bechem United in 5 clean sheets.
Oh, Nana Fosuja.
Baby are both Domane
and Bechem.
I'm telling you. 5 clean sheets. And I want more to me I say 6 goals without conceding none. Wow. They are yet to concede against Adriana Stars. And we are in the into the 4 years reign of Openia friend Oketo Kreku. Yeah. And yeah, they are to me whether it is an FA Cup game
or Premier
League game, whatever. And you know that has been the hallmark of Bechem United. Anyone with superiority over that of Adriana Stars, being it at the Nana Fosujabo Park, and as a womoko Doma and Inkrunu, Bebia womo winning games, you know. And these 5 games, you know, we to me we need 3, I draw 2 in that regard. Now, season year we are just ended season Kotoko a winning league, you know. Ninyina muno Bechem United as a team my friend Adriana Stars 1-0. And in the FA Cup too, one more answer share Adriana Stars. Augustino Kra in their last meeting, or no share the only goal. And then back in Doma, one muko PMU or Domano, Abrantia your friend Akuffo or say Akuffo. Defender no need to me Shegunu. These two players we are talking about are no more in the system of Bechemu United. And Adriana Stars and so you more than but this particular time one more always biano ya can history no near can woman mienu no one more modern bone. It boils down to the current form, the current situation in which the two teams are one meeting and finding themselves in. And that is the reality. And now checking the performance of Adriana Stars. I think that this particular season, being at the top of the log, I think that one more modern bono as in that of Bechemu United. But Bechemu United in some modern bono, and ya dia ube to me overlooky. One month still I find one more redeemer. She players as Fis Konkoni, Emmanuel Avignon, Clinton Diodu, this attacking trio, Ejuma one month ball, edema that of Bechemu United and so on. Ya dia won't to me writing off. But I think that ewo Bechemu no. Nana fozu jabo park no ebe sanso ayetin and ebe ye seat timer Bechemu United echo with a clean sheet over that of Adriana Stars me who the ebe to me asesa but with the former Adriana also this season and the currently former modern bono bia na wo to me pull up a surprise be na wo to me nya draw but even a very difficult because Bechemu United eba free defeat in eba and there was a then on fast game we no so then and san start ni winning route no ebio and a very difficult game at my team my friend Adriana.
I mean now so phone lines over to me afra bem 0551 667755 0551 667755 0205 818-748 0205-818-748 0270 191971 0270 191971 0551 667755 also bet me afre na waba mu bi na wode wadwen kire enso etumi de aba nkoma ye di e wa ha na obetumi enso de wode e de aba krobia braba akoka ho na fe menko yeke ho no so mfa ne de emra. Another one game per
one game. One game no memfa enye we mfama dreams no kotoko game no.
Okay.
Game a ye nyina ye catch bibia say obeba ba hwe sa particular game.
Memfa call away na entraso. Hello, good morning.
Pasulu.
Fire.
Yeah, good morning.
Apomo.
Nyame adum na mo se.
Oba de adom ye hu ye pa. Ma ye tie wa no pe.
Yo. Anope mechia Okoman etifo nyina. Na ene Bechemu ni Adriana Stars no. Ye bompa ese Bechemu be win because we lose na wa be the league leaders. And you know meka sure Bechemu to say omo de na win match na my na yemra top.
Yeah, so that's it. Okotoko on the one can have some Bechemu de na be kan ye. Ate pa 0551667755 also bet me abem bi. Krobia yonko.
Hey, fire. Ozi. What shall it profit a man? This year, who she say?
Bechemu share Diana.
Na Bechemu say Diana na dreams is so shawa okwe.
Okay, one can dey no. Obi dey no make kai. Mami Fawe. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba jodi ni baby akase free.
ACP ni me kasa free Blue Station.
Ba jodi ntio.
Yo kakra me pese me kafa ni mabobo so ho no say mete dreams tiaro ni kasa ya na che say o de
me ba jo ye media officer
okay media officer no meti ni ya say gate fee na no de abatutu gua no ye mpese ye bedu gate ho a afi wo hu say dom na ba ho a o san kwa kwasisa price no e gate wo because kotoko anytime be ebe ko yɛbɛba dreams wɔ biara no wɔtesa one price no kɔtɔkɔpɛ ne team ɛba dreams a wɔdu hɔ a wɔsesa price no yɛsrɛ wɔde price na bɛto hɔ no wɔn mmɔmɔden sɛ wɔbɛkita saa price na mu na yɛbɛdu hɔ no wɔn sɛ dɔm aba nti no nea wɔregye 20 no wɔsɛ 40 sɛ ɛne ade deɛ ɛnyɛ wɔn adwene sɛ yɛbɛwura mu akɔ park no so yɛbɛsupport yɛafi akyi yɛda mo ase bebree
yɛnso yɛda ase paa nti nso wobɛtumi abɛm 0551 667755 0270191971 ɛno nso wobɛtumi abɛm bi ɛna afei 0205 818-748. Now the wide range ready aba. Crowya.
ACP akasa. I think they no so here. Nubia ne because me say me promotion about league game na betumi akoso 19 no. Wo so make sure say wo mo den. Ebe tutu ni o maye na enioma nso aye den etumi aboa 20 CDs, 30 CDs and 50 CDs. Nti ukura 50 CDs a ukotena wo VIP. VIP ukra 30 CDs akọ VIP popular stand 20 CDs na wetumi akọ akwata na nioma etumi akọ kan and I think say especially the Akuapem towns no was obia into me entry p wo mo ye football loving fans ni nyina no enso into me entry p na wo mo enkoboa bu ho amasa fa o madam pie kakra ball ba bi wo ho pe ball pa o be kai time o ku school ni no ye sports o be ma bi a kire na tena fie o be ma no so mpe ball ntino na wa kire oba na ade aye ne den ni ono so de fa na ni gen ono na cash because o be ma nko ono ni siden ka so ko so ti masa munje Oba mu bie na masa fanu ko Sunday o de no ko Sunday proud before Vows Day no eni o ma etumi akonkan so ti ase o de no ko Sunday na mo ye preparation wo ho na fe Vows Day no mo Sunday akwa ko rem na eni o ma so etumi akonkan.
Okay Bramwe.
Oh, man, it 2 games. Bechebe United and Diana Stars. I think it's a big game. Sena Akrobia can we Bruno Derby. And Bruno Derby na Kamako as a Bechebe in your upper hand on Diana Stars, especially when they are playing Amanfo Suji Abo Park. And you know, I can say to me, I see the game to be a draw game. And I mean, you'll be winning. Bechebe they look more favorite than the Diana Stars because Oshe up front. Bechebe more players up front and more options up front than the Diana Stars because the Diana Stars bright AJ, Koefina Zakaria Mumuni, and so the team of a former player of the Diana Stars. Now I was saying about before Bejali into the team, no, they very very difficult. And so Eddie Amano and I'm missing the services of Emmanuel Jemvi and also my brand here back on your red card in their game. No, I'm missing. And also, and now we should be they have Emmanuel Avenue or Clinton Diodu or Hafiz Konkonia in their last 2 games, was 5 goals. And so to me, they are Bechebe United. And so I think they are a little bit threats at Diana Stars, but defensively, Diana are looking more solid defensively. I say Bechebe United, but in Tina Makers, a bit me I drawn. You know, I don't tip any team, but may expect a draw. Brekum Chelsea had to folk China had to folk Brekum Chelsea rather had to folk Brekum Chelsea China across Sports Stadium and so I game they must win the had to folk because had to folk inconsistencies also in their matches and you almost win and the Chama draw then the next game they will lose it's the coach Zlatko Matic so so you stay out had to folk team fans and about don't send your dog some more and so you're consistent in his winnings. Send a Yama because they are man Brekum Chelsea and so coming from a victory Almunia last weekend. No, Ababe Visia to folk a big game at the more top player. I am Isaac free year and so from injury nearby and what me Abo go and so now on the last 2 matches our boom and so so much in year but that game is me who drop. Brekum Chelsea and I started to folk Brekum Chelsea and so me who draw Koroko Dreams FC and also I'm tipping Koroko to win Koroko and me tipping Koroko Benya victory over Dreams FC inexperience and also on the side of Dreams FC and then so no Koroko will bully their way through by way of experience.
No more ba.
Mukwala, top fantastic player. Enoch Morrison, more our form. Rashid Norte, more a lot of experience. And Mukura, Danlad Ibrahim, a lot of experience. And Koroko Akra. So I think Koroko will get a victory over Dreams FC.
Okay, yeah, the best seat near Chia in
Yeah. Oh, okay. Ziggy Bajo Boamena, my yeah, Boamena, me, yeah. Happy birthday, Ziggy Famines, Nini so. Happy birthday, happy birthday, and confirm a year. Eunice, a queer boatima, Eunice, a queer boatima, or next Timo Wija, and a birthday to Eunice. Happy birthday, Cassiapa, and confirm.
Okay, and I'm so happy birthday, and confirm my sister, me baby. Also of Mama Vic, also happy birthday, Cassie and Comau, Yaminton Quandem. Now, all my one day, Sika, and a fee, Yawishin, and 1 year from our crop, young quay.
Young corn, I mean, chia, and no, kitchen trend fashion designers, guys, no, one more team, internet, meba. Aha, yes, yeah, Friday into Friday, the way there, I mean to me, James, I continue big ups to guys, and your man so into me on Conkai.
Okay. I was saying, yes, you know, the Akane news and the Baba to us. And said to me, the out here can count to Crop Yanka. I said, I'm confirm Ziggy, and also at the Uncle Facebook and a fay, a Busia et Yachin. And I mean, I do my watching 10 to 12. Yabasayaba, now at the Global Sports Weekend edition at us meeting the Paradise. Yami, Inshallah, Yakra.